Hi everyone. Today we are diving into an exciting topic that's changing the world: machine learning. You have probably heard about robots, self driving cars, and even personalized recommendations on platforms like YouTube or Netflix. But do you know what makes all this possible? It's machine learning. And don't worry, I am here to explain it in the simplest way possible so even a 10 years old can understand what exactly is machine learning. What is machine learning? Let's break it down. Think about how you learn when you are trying to solve a math problem. You practice it multiple times. After solving many examples, you start understanding the pattern. Similarly, machine learning allows computers to learn from examples or data instead of being told exactly what to do. For example, imagine teaching a computer to recognize a cat. You show it thousands of pictures of cats. Over time, the computer looks for patterns like fur, whiskers, and ears to identify what a cat looks like. So, machine learning is like teaching computers by feeding them lots of information and letting them figure things out. Now, the question comes, how does machine learning work? It is very simple if you think of it in three steps. First is input data. You give the computer data, for example, pictures of cats and dogs. Second step is training. The computer learns from this data. It tries to find patterns like cats have whiskers and dogs have tails. Third step is prediction. Once trained, the computer can look at a new picture and tell if it's a dog or a cat. Let us take a real life example. Voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant use machine learning. They listen to your voice, learn from how you speak, and answer your questions. Let us understand the types of machine learning. There are three main types. Supervised learning. This is like a teacher student relationship. The computer learns with the help of labeled examples. For instance, you show it pictures of apples labeled as apple and bananas labeled as banana. Unsupervised learning. Here, the computer explores on its own, looking for patterns without any guidance. For example, it groups similar items together without knowing their names. Third is reinforcement learning. The computer learns by trial and error. Think of it like training a dog to sit by giving it treats when it does well. Let us understand the uses of machine learning. Where is machine learning used? Machine learning is everywhere around us. Let me share some examples. Healthcare. Doctors use it to predict disease by analyzing medical data. Education. Apps like Baizu, Vedantu use machine learning to recommend personalized lessons. Entertainment. When Netflix suggests shows you will like, that's machine learning at work. Transportation. Self driving cars like Tesla rely on machine learning to detect roads, pedestrians, and traffic signs. Example in India. In India, the Indian Railways use machine learning to predict train delays and improve services. Isn't that cool? Now the question comes, why should you learn about machine learning? The world is quickly adopting technologies powered by machine learning. By learning about it early, you open the door to exciting career opportunities. For example, you could become a data scientist analyzing important trends. You might design robots that help in factories. You could create apps that solve everyday problems like translating languages. And guess what? Machine learning does not always require advanced knowledge at the start. Tools like Python, a programming language, make it fun and easy to begin. How can students in India start learning machine learning? Start the basics, learn basic math like algebra and statistics. These are the building blocks of machine learning. Explore free resources. Platforms like Coursera, YouTube, and Khan Academy have free courses for beginners. Try fun projects, build small projects like teaching a computer to recognize handwritten numbers. Let's take an example for kids. A 10-year-old can try simple tools like Scratch, where you can teach characters to behave intelligently by giving them small commands. Machine learning is shaping the future, whether it's making life easier or solving big problems. It is a skill that anyone can learn, starting with curiosity. So start exploring, and who knows, maybe one day you will create the next big invention that changes the world. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, happy learning.